Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to present to all 10 standard student a very important and effective strategy to score 30 plus marks or 35 plus marks in SSLC maths. So today I am going to tell a passing package where you can score more than 30 marks. It's 100% sure you can score 30 plus marks as per revised syllabus. So, as per my knowledge, many students find difficulty in maths. Actually, maths is a scoring subject. So those students who find difficulty in maths, if they follow this passing package, I am sure that they can score good marks in mathematics. So let us begin the passing package. Let me tell you ये जो पासिंग पैकेज है, जो बच्चे मैथ्स में मैथ्स डिफ़िकल्ट फील करते हैं तो वो 10 स्टैंडर्ड स्पेशली 2021 ईयर फॉर द ईयर 2021 दिस ईयर एज पर रिवाइज सिलेबस मैंने पासिंग पैकेज बनाया है. तो जो बच्चे मैथ्स में डिफ़िकल्टी फील करते हैं वो बच्चे अगर इतना ही पढ़ेंगे तो आई एम श्योर दे कैन स्कोर पासिंग मार्क्स इन मैथ्स. तो लेट अस बिगिन. सो द फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट जो पहला चीज है दैट इज थियरम. यू नो इन द पेपर देर विल बी थियरम फॉर ईदर 4 marks और 5 marks. दिस ईयर वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग 5 marks for theorem. So now let us see which theorems. We know that in triangle chapter there are 4 theorems. In triangle chapters there are 4 theorems. So out of this 4 theorem, one theorem is a sure question in your board paper. तो ये 4 theorem में से एक क्वेश्चन श्योर है बोर्ड पेपर में. तो लेट अस सी विच आर द 4 theorems of triangle. 1. State and prove Thales theorem. थेल्स थियरम को बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थियरम भी कहा जाता है. सो स्टेट एंड प्रूव थेल्स थियरम बोल के अगर क्वेश्चन आ गया तो 5 marks. विद द स्टेटमेंट यू हैव टू प्रूव. सो स्टेट एंड प्रूव थेल्स थियरम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Second, prove that if 2 triangles are equiangular, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This question is AA similarity criteria theorem. So the next theorem is prove that the ratio of area of 2 similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Area of similar triangle theorem. You can see area of similar triangle theorem. So the last one, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. तो ये 4 थियरम ट्राइंगल से है. इन चारों में से एक श्योर क्वेश्चन है, इधर 4 marks और 5 marks. So this is about the triangles theorem. चारों भी बहुत ही easy theorems है. So let us see now theorems from circle chapter circle. तो circle chapter में 2 theorems हैं. 2 में से एक श्योर क्वेश्चन है 3 marks के लिए. 1 sure question for 3 marks in board paper. So which theorems are there? Prove that the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, or prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. तो इन 2 theorem में confuse नहीं होना है. The word perpendicular you should remember and the words external point. So 2 theorems are there in circle chapter. ये 2 में से एक 100% sure question in the board examination. So 4 theorems from triangles, 2 theorems from circle. इतने में you will get 7 marks. 1 theorem of circle, 1 theorem of triangles. Sure question. So let us see the next thing. Okay. We all know that graph is a sure question. एक पेपर में ग्राफ रहता ही है. So you know pair of linear equation from chapter pair of linear equation. One graph क्वेश्चन विल डेफिनेटली इन बोर्ड एग्जाम, एक ग्राफ का क्वेश्चन आएगा ही, दैट इज फॉर 4 मार्क्स. सो यू कैन स्कोर ईयर 4 मार्क्स इफ यू नो परफेक्टली ग्राफ में परफेक्ट होना है, दैट इज 2 इक्वेशन देंगे तो इन 2 इक्वेशन को ग्राफिकली सॉल्व करना है. सो यू विल स्कोर 4 मार्क्स हियर, one definite question in the board examination. I have taken 3 examples. You can try by taking these 3 examples. These questions are from board paper only, previous year's board paper. So let us see the next target, that is construction. Construction problem, either it will come for 3 marks or 4 marks. Construction based on triangle. So there are 2 types of construction in triangle chapter. One, you can see here the fraction part, numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller, or numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. Either this problem or this type problem is a sure question in the board paper, where you can get either 3 marks or sometime may come for 4 marks. So here you can score 4 marks or 3 marks if you know these construction problems. If you want to see this construction problem, you can watch my videos where I have done construction problems. I have explained all these problems in my previous video. So construct a triangle with side 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then construct another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of corresponding side. So this type of construction problem, sure question in the exam. So this is the definite question for board exam for 3 or 4 marks. Let us see the next target, next question. Okay, again from construction chapter for 2 marks, one more problem will come that will be based on circle and tangent. So either you can see, draw a line segment of length 7.5 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:3. Like that type of problem you may get for 2 marks. Or draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which is inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Like this type of problem. Or either draw a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 8 cm away from its center. Either 8 cm away from its center or 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangent to a circle and measure their length. 3 types of problem I have taken. So out of these 3, one is a sure question for 2 marks from circle. Construction is a one topic. There you can see 2 exercise. One is based on triangle and one is based on circle. So this is the sure question for 2 marks. Let us see. If you want this construction video, you can watch my previous video where I have explained this construction. So the next is very important concept and very easy concept, मीन मीडियन मोड. तो ये चैप्टर जो है स्टैटिस्टिक्स से, ये टॉपिक्स, दिस टॉपिक्स आर फ्रॉम स्टैटिस्टिक, मीन मीडियन एंड मोड. तीनों में से एक श्योर क्वेश्चन है, या मीन आएगा या मीडियन या मोड फॉर 3 मार्क्स. is a sure question. I have taken one example like find the median for the following data. Like this they will give, ऐसे देंगे, या find the median for the following data, या calculate mode for the following data. Like this question will come. तो mean median mode is the easiest concept, जो बहुत easy है, तो 3 marks आसानी से मिल जाते हैं. So if you want for this explanation also, I have already explained in my previous videos. So mean median mode ये तीनों में से एक आता ही है एग्जाम में. So let us see the next passing target, OG. Here you have 2 types of OG. One is less than type OG or more than type OG. या तो less than type OG आता ही है या more than type, दोनों में से कोई एक आता ही है. So तो ये इसमें से कोई एक आएगा ही for 3 marks. Sure question. तो कितना मार्क्स हो गया? सर्कल का एक थियरम, देन ग्राफ, देन कंस्ट्रक्शन ट्राइंगल बेस्ड, देन कंस्ट्रक्शन circle based, then statistic, mean, median and mode. Then here we can see less than type, more than type OG, where I have mentioned the marks also. So let us see the next. Okay, these are the just small problem for 2 marks, that is solving quadratic equation by formula method. A formula लेकर find the quadratic equation, solving quadratic equation by formula method. These are the question which I have taken from previous year paper. For 2 marks we can expect this question by formula method from quadratic equation chapter. Okay, this is the formula. By using this formula we have to solve. So the next is nature of root. Here we can expect the question like discuss the nature of root or find the discriminant. D is equals to, we have formula D is equals to B square minus 4AC. By using this formula we have to find the nature of root or find the discriminant. D stands for discriminant. So the next one, pair of linear equation. This is also one sure question. Find the solve for x and y or find the value of x and y with a pair of linear equation. They will give 2 equations. You have to find x and y by elimination method. This here only elimination method we have to solve with the elimination method only. 2 other method is reduce for this year. So pair of linear equation chapter, this is the sure question in exam for 2 marks. Find the value of x and y or solve for x and y. So here we can score 2 marks. Next, coordinate geometry. From coordinate geometry we can score many marks, and which is the easy chapter. Find the midpoint between the line joining points. So midpoint formula. By using midpoint formula we can solve the problem for 2 marks. Only the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We have to substitute this value in this formula and easily we can get the answer and we can score 2 marks. Find the midpoint of line joining points 2, 3, 4, 1. Like the many examples you will get in your textbook. So here you can easily score 2 marks. आसानी से 2 marks मिल सकते हैं अगर midpoint formula बराबर से याद रहा तो just point you have to substitute in this formula. Similarly, distance between 2 points, 2 marks. Find the distance between the line joining points. 2 points देते हैं. Find the distance between means distance formula लेना है. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Midpoint, if they ask, midpoint formula. If they ask distance between, distance formula. This is the very easiest and scoring topic, coordinate geometry. And one more question from coordinate geometry, that is area of triangle or find the value of k. Here also you can score 2 marks. How you will score 2 marks? Like they will ask question like this. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 3 vertices they will give. 1, 2, 3 points they will give, and we have to find the area of triangle. Which formula? This formula. Area of triangle is equals to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the very important formula. By using this formula you can easily find the area of triangle. Very important question. You can expect 2 marks. So same, with the help of same formula you may get one more type of question. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Here k they will give in the points. So we have to find the value of k. The points are collinear. You have to use this formula only for such type of question also. We know the meaning of collinear. If the area of triangle will be equal to 0, then the points are collinear. With the help of area of triangle formula only we have to solve. Either this or this question is a sure question for your board paper. If it may come this question or this question. So here let us see about AP now. Arithmetic progression. Here we can expect this question for 2 marks. That is sum of n term of an AP. Sum of n term of AP means what type of question we may expect? Find the sum of 20 terms. Find the sum of 20 terms from the given AP. That is S20 from this AP we have to find. This is the easiest concept. That is, we have to use this formula Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. By using this formula we have to find S20. In place of n we have to substitute 20. And the same one more question, find the sum of 50 terms from the given AP. So this type of question we can expect for 2 marks. Now just for 1 marks from AP, nth term of AP. If an is equals to 3 plus 4n, find third term, find fifth term. For 1 marks is a sure question. What we have to do, in place of 1 an, we have to put the third term, a3. 3 plus 4 into 3. If they ask fifth term, n plus 5, 3 plus 4 into 5, like that. So this 1 mark question is a sure question for board paper. We are speaking about passing package. So in AP there will be many questions which will come in a board paper. But these are the sure question we can expect in a board paper. So we are speaking about only 30 plus marks. If you study only this thing which I am telling now, you can 100% sure score 30 passing marks. So let us see now next last one, definition and statement, which will be the sure in the examination. They may ask state Pythagoras theorem, state Pythagoras theorem, state Thales theorem, state converse of Pythagoras theorem, or define tangent, secant. Like this type of question, 1 mark it may come, where you have to write only statement, not proof. Just for 1 marks they may ask. So this is the sure one definition will be in paper. So you should study all these things. And the last we can see that formulae, that is from surface area and volume. There are so many formula, that is CSE of cylinder, TSE of sphere, volume of frustum, many formula. One formula will be the sure question in the board. Sure question in the board paper. So this CSE of all formula you have to thorough study. This formula will help you to solve the problems also. Formula based problems will surely come in exam, but we are speaking here passing package. So here 1 marks you can score. So total how many marks you can score here, what I have told about. So here this is 1 marks, 1 plus 1 2. So we can see 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Here only you have scored 16 17 18 19 3 marks, 20 21 22. You can see here 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. More than 35 marks you can score if you thorough study in this passing package. I hope this video will help you to score 30 marks. So here is the complete list which I have made, that is passing package, which I have just told you. Let me tell you one more time. So 4 theorems from triangle you can score or 5 marks. So here 2 theorems from circle for 3 marks, sure question. Graph pair of linear equation, which is from pair of linear equation, for 4 marks, sure question. So construction triangle 3 marks. Construction from circle, that is same chapter, from exercise circle exercise 2 marks, sure question. Mean, median and mode. Out of this mean, median or mode, 1 sure question for 3 marks. So OG either less than type or more than type, sure for 3 marks. So quadratic equation by using formula method 2 marks. Nature of root 2 marks, just now I have explained. Then midpoint, using midpoint formula 2 marks, sure question. Using distance formula 2 marks, sure question. Then elimination method from pair of linear equation 2 marks, sure question. Next, area of triangle from coordinate geometry 2 marks, sure question. So sum of nth term, this I have explained here for 2 marks again. Then statement or definition for 1 marks. One definition, one statement is a sure, that is state Pythagoras theorem and all. And surface area and volume formula, one sure formula for 1 marks. Those who find difficulty in maths, hope this video will help them to score good marks in maths, and surely they can score. Before I end my video, let me clear you one thing. See, you should not depend on the same question which I have shown you. Actually, these are the just questions from previous year's papers I have taken. But we can't expect the same question. But one type sure question, like I have told, like elimination method, one question will come. But it not be this only. Don't depend on this question which I have taken. To show you the examples, I have taken these questions. So question may come different only, like solve the quadratic equation for formula method. I have just shown you this type of question will come, but not the same question. We can't expect the same question. But formula method, one question will come only. Like for mean, median and mode also. Not only this question, this type mean for any question method is same. I have just taken the examples here. Few examples to show that the how question will come. Not this problem you have to refer. You have to learn how any problem comes, you know to do the mean. If any problem comes, you know to do median. You know to solve the median, like that. OG, not this problem. You can expect any problem in exam, but you should know less than type or more than type. One question will be sure in exam. So you should, here also construction, one sure question in exam. Not here in place of 60 degree, you can get 70, 80, or here in place of 8 centimeter, you can get 10 centimeter away from the circle. Or here in construction also you can see that instead of 7 by 5, any other number you can get, or 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, any other numbers you may get. So you should not depend on this question, but you should perfect in this what passing package I have told. You should be perfect in the passing package. This all the list of the passing package I have just now I have shown here. Na, you should be perfect in all this list. Then I am sure you can score more than 35 to 40 marks. So thank you. Do like and share and subscribe my channel.